Good morning. Welcome to Trenton Free Public Library Art Club. My name is Damaris R, and I will show you how to fold some books today. First, we're going to be doing this one. It might look complicated, but it's not. Let's start. So, you're going to grab your book that's going to be provided for you. You're going to take off the cover. Don't be scared. It's your book now. It belongs to you. As you can see, it's giving me a hard time. I might need some scissors, or maybe not. There we go. So you're gonna keep taking it off. Put that to the side for now. As you can see, it's very pretty. You could keep it like that if you want, or you could decorate it on your own. Alright. So then, we're going to start folding. As you can see, I have a pre-one that I've started for you. So your first fold, you're going to grab your whole sheet, fold it in half. Gentle, crease it. Second fold is a little more tricky. Gonna fold half, crease, fold one more time. Go right into that crease in the book, right in the edge. Fold, nice and clean, and it's just gonna keep on going. We're gonna fold one more time. For those that didn't understand, you're going to grab your first sheet, half, fold in the crease. As you can see, it's starting to get its form, like this one. You're going to fold again. This is the one that goes half. Get into that corner, fold. Back into that corner, fold again. Make sure when you're folding to really put some pressure. You want it to be nice and tight, nice and straight. And then when you're done, it's going to look like this. And you don't need glue or anything. They'll stand like this because of all the pressure, because of the pages. So then let's go to our second one. Our second one is going to be this one. This is the most basic one. This is the most easy one. I started it up. I took it out of the sleeve. You're going to grab your page, put it into that crease, fold. Make sure that you're really pressing. You want it nice and clean. Fold again. It will take some time, so if you like to see some TV or maybe put some music on or have a friend over to talk, you're just going to keep folding. Make it nice and straight because after it's going to show. As you can see, it goes like that. This is the finished product right here. But for this one, because this one's just plain white, and when I'm done folding it, you will see I put some construction paper on it, so it gives it a flare, it gives it a little hint of color. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So, as you can see, it's bare, it's white, with some glue that we're going to provide for you, and a construction paper. You're going to get your glue. You're going to measure it. I measured mine already. You're going to add it. And when it's done, it's going to look gorgeous because you're going to be able to see both sides. Just like the pink one. I kept the pink one just like this because I like the color. The book was like this. Okay, so that's our second. So now our last one is going to be our hedgehog. This one's more complicated, but it's very cute. So you're going to get a soft book, and then you're going to fold nice and tight, keep it in place to your crease, and then you're going to fold again. Little corner, nice and tight, little corner, nice and tight. As you can see, your hedgehog is starting. You can see that this is his little body. You're gonna keep folding half, go into that crease. The book will show you how to do it. You keep following the line of the book. Keep going, keep folding. Let's do it one more time. You're going to fold, crease it, nice tight line, fold one more time, and there you go. Little by little, he's starting to come out. The more you fold, the bigger he gets. So don't try to do 2 pages, just do one by one. I know it takes time, but it's going to be worth it in a while. And thank you so much, and don't forget to come and get all your material at the library.